come with me to prune and wire this Chinese juniper. It went from this to this, and finally this is the end product. It's a massive transformation. I firstly began by analysing the tree, pruning back any long shoots and cleaning the trunk. I cleaned up the inside of the tree, getting rid of any little dead bits. And as I was analysing the tree, I was trying to figure out how I want to wire the bonsai. Once I got my preferred look, I went straight in with the wire. I was concentrating very much here, trying to get the right structure. This all took me around an hour and 30 to 2 hours to do. I went around the whole bonsai doing this method. One tip about wiring is that you use the same wire thickness as what you're going to wire. Here I was just doing a few little more touch-ups. And there you have it, it's all done. I decided to give it a repot because it was in a plastic pot, so I upgraded it to an unglazed pot. And finally I done more wiring, so now it looks like this. What do you think? Which style did you prefer the most? Comment down below.